No, I don't patu this. That is the sound of a Jamaican word. And if you want to know which word that is in the English language, then stick around. This is Jania from Jamaican Tinting. In the Jamaican language, you might hear the word oo, oo, or oofa. Oo, oo, or oofa. Example of the word oo. Aye, how much for the melon ya? How much for the melon ya? In English, that means how much does this melon cost? So the word oo in Jamaican, it means how, but not in all cases. For the most part, the word how would be translated to oh in the Jamaican language. But what I was just doing was showing you an instance where we would use oo to represent how, and that occurs only when in reference to using it with much, like how much, when we're evaluating or trying to get an understanding of the cost of things. So we can say how much or how much, but oftentimes Jamaicans would say oo, how much. Now the next Jamaican word we're going to look at is ooh. Before we spoke about ooh, now we're going to look at the word ooh. In English, the word that we use in Jamaican for ooh is who. So a Jamaican sentence like this, na the mood. Who said that? In English, that means who said that. Who means who. Now another word in the Jamaican language that has oo, really it's oofa. Oofa. Now if you hear the word oofa or foofa, it means whose. So a sentence in the Jamaican language might sound like this. Oof about this. In the English language, that means whose shoes are those? And since we're on the topic of whose, in the Jamaican language, we would say oofa, but another way we say it is foofa. Foofa. So a sentence in the Jamaican language might be
Foofa smells so bad.
Foofa granny that. Whose grandmother is that? Alright, so I just wanted to do a quick video to just show you how sometimes when you're listening to the Jamaican language, you may also hear certain words, and when you hear the word oo or oo, you will know what it means in the English language. Now if you love them kind of video, make sure you like, subscribe, because every week I have a new something to show you to teach you more and more about the Jamaican language. Alright, so until next time, like a more.